So guys, welcome back to another lecture, and in this video we're going to use read and write system calls. We're going to use those system calls to solve a problem, and the question is print hello from hello world. I mean store the hello world in a variable but print only hello part using read and write. How can you do that? Just imagine how can you do with a read and write. I have told you about file descriptor and variables, and everything stored is in variables. First hint I will give is we can have different variables, we can use different variables. Just think of it. If we have solved the answer, then congratulations. Coming to the solution part, we're going to use different variables and we're going to store every word in every variable. Suppose I have created a variable char buff and I'm only willing to store 5 words. You can see in the hello world we have 5. You can take space also. I'm going to print hello. So first part is 4 and second part is char, and you can take 10, 20, anything. As long as we get hello, you can take any length that you need. After initializing it, sorry, I have initialized with char. I mean not char here. Use buff1. So after that, use the read command. And we need the value that is being stored in the read, or else we cannot give it to the write to display how many characters. So file descriptor value, if you remember, I think it is 0. So after being used 0, now we use variable buff and minimum length we can get is 4. And in the second line, use same read, different variable of different length. Can take 20, 10, no problem. So after that, we use write. Now we have stored n and m because we need the value to be displayed. So to display in the screen we use descriptor 1, but what value you're going to display? It is buff, and guys is buff 1. So we're going to display buff of how much length? Now hello is of, you can see hello is of length of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have given only 4, sorry about that. Take the 5 length. So now whatever the read is being stored in the buffer, it will give us return value of 5 in the n. So now use the n and we can write it to the screen as hello. Save the file and run the command. This is file.c. Sorry about that, I forgot again initializing integers. Now let's display. Write anything you need, but in this example we're going to use hello world. So the question has been completed. We have printed hello using different variables and we have known about the file position. The first, after being stored in the first variable, the first 5 character, it will continue from the 6th character directly. So it appends the information, it appends the content after the hello, first part hello. After the continuation, the word part is being stored in this. And that's it for today. If you like the video, give a like, and you have any doubt, leave a message in the comment box. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.